working as a freelance captain today, and I had to come here to this nice house, nice pool, to pick up the boat. All right, so I'm driving a small boat today, and it's up on a lift. So y'all get to see me put the boat in the water. All right, so here we are, ready to go. And we're going down slowly. Okay, so a lift is really slow. This is highly unclimactic. While you wait, you can check out the boat. So today, this is the small boat that I am driving. I offer these boats if you would like to book one out. They're booked at 2-hour minimums. And they're so much fun, honestly. We get to pull up to islands, we get to go to the sandbar, there's music on here, like we can go fast, we can go to multiple locations. So I love driving the small boats. Y'all gotta come see me on the small boats. And we're still going down slowly. Once that black line on the white pole hits the water, then I'm safe to crank up my motors and back out of here. All right, we're in the water.